Welcome to the brand new 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. The Trail Boss is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks, and mirrors. Drivability mode: push-button 4x4 system and automatic headlights and fog lights. Vehicle has a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. Column shifter as well, push-button ignition. A nice large 8-inch touchscreen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, both available in there. Dual zone climate control, heated front seats, integrated trailer braking system as well, USB ports and an outlet. The Trail Boss has the all black interior, dual glove box locking bottom, Bose audio speakers throughout, so quality audio entertainment system, as well as the leather heated seats for the new Trail Boss LT. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tires, very well-known off-road tire in the industry. We have blacked out door handles with keyless entry on the front driver's door, Z71 package, LT Trail Boss, and the Trail Boss does come with that 2-inch factory lift up front, making room for those big tires, giving you that nice big stance. You have the red signature tow hooks, LED lighting, fog lights, Z71 grille with the black bow tie, 6.2 liter on the hood. Making our way to the back here, rear tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped Trail Boss decal. Both your front and rear bumpers are the black with you have the dual chrome exhaust tips, trailer tow pack, LED brake lights. You have the black bow tie in the rear, as well as that new multi-function tailgate for the Trail Boss. Taking a quick look at the interior here, leather 60/40 split. Both end seats here are car seat ready with in-seat storage feature. You have a rear sliding window with defrost, extra headroom over top with LED lighting, single pane sunroof up front, USB ports in the back with your heating vents, as well as this is a crew cab truck, so tons of leg and headroom. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2021 Silverado LT Trail Boss. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.